Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Thomas and I'm very honored to present to you today a project that is here to clean up the planet of plastic pollution while earning an income. It is a business opportunity, and me as an entrepreneur desiring to build a better world for my children, I am very careful with where I put my energy. I am very regarding in which businesses I support, and this is a purposeful business. This is us being part of the solution and not just of the problem. This opportunity has changed my life. It may do the same to you, so welcome in this short presentation of the opportunity. So welcome to CORSAIR CONNECT, an opportunity for a better world. In this presentation, we're going to see the problem of plastic waste, the solution that is brought by the CORSAIR Group International, the revolution with the CSR plastic credit, and the opportunity with CORSAIR CONNECT. First of all, quick disclaimer, we are independent partners, not financial advisors. The service offered by CORSAIR is that of a plastic waste removal service and thus not a financial product. The CSR plastic credit is provided as an evidence of support for the combined mission of CORSAIR CONNECT and the CORSAIR Group to remove plastic waste from our environment. As such, no financial license is required for its acquisition. There we go. Basically, it's open for everyone. No need to be a financial advisor. The plastic pollution is devastating, but we have the solution. Let's talk about the problem that we are here to solve. Plastic waste today is a global environmental crisis that is getting worse every day. Our entire planet is covered in this garbage that we as a human species have not learned to manage correctly. We are destroying our environment. We are leaving a planet full of plastic trash for our children and their children. And on top of that, you may be aware of microplastics, which we today find in the food, in the water, and in the organs of the human body, including in the placenta and the brain. We have to do something. To really grasp the problem, let's talk about some data. The estimated time to break down for different types of materials in nature. We have 50 years for a styrofoam cup, a few seconds we use in the corporate office to drink water, 50 years to break down in nature. As a comparison, metal aluminum can takes 200 years. Nappies, 450 years, they're full of plastic waste. Imagine how many nappies we're throwing away every single day. Plastic bottles, 450 years, we use them for a few minutes, a few weeks, and it takes 450 years to break down in nature. And finally, the plastic toothbrush, such a small object, but it will remain for 500 years in nature. 500 years. That is 15 generations down the line. The descendants of your descendants of your descendants, 15 generations down the line will be on the planet and your toothbrush will still be there. It is urgent to find solutions. And the larger the problem, the larger the opportunity for entrepreneurs. And the solution brought to us by the CORSAIR Group International is transitioning to a circular economy. CORSAIR transforms plastic waste into advanced bio-oil, also known as pyrolysis oil. This is then used to manufacture the plastics we need in our daily lives. By providing much-needed solutions to global environmental problems such as plastic waste, air pollution, and water pollution, CORSAIR is playing an important role in the creation of a circular economy. CORSAIR is all about sustainable solutions for the pollution of the planet. CORSAIR is building facilities all over the world. They have an expansion plan to cover the entire planet. Every country in the world today has a problem with plastic waste. You can see a beautiful image of our factory in Europe, in Finland. Now important, CORSAIR is certified ISCC+. This prestigious certification ensures and verifies that a company meets globally recognized environmental and social sustainability requirements. Our clients, oil companies, want and need to buy advanced bio-oil from certified companies. And plastic manufacturing companies are now required by law to use recycled plastic in the production of new plastic. That is why there is a huge demand for advanced bio-oil. This is a very promising emerging market. The laws are on our side. Plastic recycling is becoming mandatory. The timing is perfect for this business opportunity. Now on to the revolution with the CSR plastic credit. Every time Corsair recycles plastic waste into advanced bio-oil, CSR 26 plastic credits are distributed as a secure and traceable digital receipt. Thanks to Corsair, individuals and companies can now offset their plastic pollution footprint and go plastic neutral using CSR 26 plastic credits. And today, more and more companies are taking their CSR corporate social responsibility seriously and becoming certified plastic neutral. Here you can see companies that have joined Corsair on its mission to clean up the planet of plastic pollution. CSR 26 plastic credits on packaging. You can see here brands, products who are here to have an impact and help clean up the planet and be part of the solution. By joining, they will be able to display the logo on their products to let the consumer know that this company is plastic neutral. We can already find these products with the label in supermarkets around the world, and we will be seeing more and more in the coming years to come. With that, Corsair is perfectly positioned to take advantage of the new international legislation governing packaging and plastic neutrality. Now, why is this interesting for you? By purchasing a plastic neutral package from CORSAIR CONNECT, you give an order to Corsair to remove plastic waste from the environment and to convert it into advanced bio-oil. You then receive CSR 26 plastic credits as a valuable digital proof of depollution. This means that not only can you have a global impact on plastic pollution, but you will also become part of an emerging global market, the plastic credit market, with all its potential benefits. That is the offer for our customers. Have an impact to clean up a lot of plastic waste in the environment and earn plastic credits, a valuable asset to own for your future abundance. On top of this offer for customers, we have a business opportunity should you want to get involved in a more active manner and earn an income with us every single week. That is the CORSAIR CONNECT business opportunity. How does it work? When you help individuals and companies buy a plastic waste removal package, you earn generous commissions on the packages they buy. Introduce other CORSAIR CONNECT partners and earn commissions on the packages their customers buy. And your CORSAIR CONNECT business license costs only 10 euros a year. That's it. With 10 euros a year, you can start your business, open a new income stream for yourself, and become part of a global movement for a cleaner planet. We get paid very well to clean up the planet with the CORSAIR CONNECT compensation plan. It's a very generous compensation plan with 3 types of bonuses. The first one, uni-level bonus, you earn 5 levels deep. Level 1, you introduce a customer into this opportunity. They buy a package to clean up the planet, you earn 12%. Level 2 and 3, 8%. Level 4 and 5, 5%. You will also earn more money, more rewards should you grow in the career plan with us with the matching bonus and the Infinity Star bonus. In conclusion, CORSAIR and CORSAIR CONNECT are on a mission to rid the planet of the plague that is plastic pollution. CORSAIR turns plastic waste into advanced bio-oil for a circular economy. CORSAIR Connect partners help people buy the best plastic waste removal package for them. You can earn generous rewards helping people go plastic neutral. Join us on our mission to save the world for future generations. Start your CORSAIR Connect business today. One mission, connect with the planet. Thank you so much. I know I went a bit fast. That was the overview. I hope it was clear. This project has transformed my life. I am so grateful today to be part of a community of tens of thousands of people around the world, united with one vision, that we should not have piles of plastic waste in the environment destroying our nature. And with this project, with an innovative business model, with CORSAIR Group and their technology, we are making an impact. And I am so proud to be part of this community as an independent partner, able to earn an income stream, able to earn money while having an impact on the environment, together with a global community of change makers. At this point, you know, if you're curious to know more, if so, let your CORSAIR Connect partner know so that they can take you to the next step and get registered and get started. Together, let's unite, let's make a difference for the future generation. Let's put our energy where it matters. Let's use the power of business as a conscious way of making a change in the world. You can join our community today as a passive customer or as an active partner. If so, we will get you a free training to get started and earn an income with us on this mission. Thank you very much.